Let us find all the cube root of 1. What do we mean by that is we want a complex number z such that z cube equal to 1. Well, quite simple. Let's write it as z cube minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can factorize it as z minus 1 whole thing into z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are given product of two numbers equal to 0, then one of the number has to be 0. If z minus 1 happens to be 0, then we will have z equal to 1, quite trivial solution. If that is not equal to 0, then z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So first case we have z equal to 1, that's the trivial solution, quite common simple answer. Now what about z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0? For that what we can do is we can apply the quadratic equation formula. Z equal to, first of all let's compare it with az square plus bz plus c equal to 0. We observe that a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1. Lastly, for such a kind of quadratic equation, we have z equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And that is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 minus 4 by 2. And that is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 is minus 3, so root over minus 1 into root 3 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2, comma, minus 1 minus root 3 I by